Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create a menu in our Divi WordPress website. So here you can see this is our demo website. Now let's go to dashboard. Here you can see menu option. So now we can create new menu. But before that, we can create some pages. Now click add new page. Just you can add name here, for example, home. And after that, here you can select page layout, for example, no sidebar. And after that, click publish. In this way, you can create more pages, for example, about us. And after that, you can publish these pages. So now you can go back into menu section. After that, you can give a name, for example, primary menu. And after that, now select it primary menu, then create menu. Now you can add these items. You can add pages, posts as well as categories. Just you can select the pages that you want to add. After that, click add to menu. So now click save menu. Now let's refresh the website. Here you can see we have added primary menu. So thank you for watching video.